First, there were resignations, now lawsuits. After Governor Mike Parson signs a law he says protects the rights of Missouri gun owners. St. Louis City and county governments are suing the state over its latest move to block federal gun laws. Thank you for being with us. I'm Ann Allred.
And I'm Mike Bush. Even police are weighing in and in some cases resigning. The I-Team's Christine Byers digs into the long-term impact of this controversial legislation.
Missouri has some of the weakest gun laws and some of the highest crime rates in the nation. Two reasons why St. Louis's mayor and county executive filed a lawsuit in Jefferson City, calling the state's new Second Amendment law unconstitutional.
That lawsuit being filed, Christine, is about as surprising as the sun rising in the eastern sky.
SLU professor Greg Willard says this is more about politics than public safety.
In terms of political theater, this is great political theater.
In a statement, Mayor Tishaura Jones wrote, 2020 was the deadliest year of gun violence in our state's history, and now the Missouri legislature is throwing up barriers to stop police from doing their most important job, preventing and solving violent crime. In emails obtained by the I-Team, St. Louis Police Chief John Hayden briefly pulled his officers from their federal task forces, a move that would stop them from testifying or going to a grand jury on federal gun cases. Hayden reversed the move 24 hours later. The department wrote, "The legal implications surrounding this legislation are evolving, and we may make adjustments accordingly." The Missouri Sheriff's Association opposed the law back in April, saying it could block police from working with the FBI if someone robs a bank or kidnaps a child at gunpoint. It also keeps them from joining task forces with other agencies like the DEA, ATF, and ICE. In testimony earlier this year, supporters of the legislation say the state and local police could still be involved.
They can work side by side. They just have to agree that they are going to make sure that they're enforcing Missouri gun laws and not federal gun laws.
So when it gets to the courts, do you think this thing has any hope at all of remaining in effect?
The Constitution and laws of the United States are supreme. But as to whether it's constitutional or whether some parts are and some parts aren't, that's what this litigation will sort through.
For the I-Team, Christine Byers, 5 on your side.
County Executive Sam Page says this new law is like the state holding out a sign that says, "Come commit gun violence here." The governor's office declined our request for an interview. He made a statement last week supporting the bill.
As politicians